Oh. Everybody's very busy tonight in the bird room. The first bird I just showed, that kind of looked like a displaying, which doesn't make sense because Gargar is supposed to be a male. And Daisy, who is in with him now, is definitely a girl. Of course, this is Pez and Skittles. Leo and Aries. Juliet. There's River. Lily. Both chilling since I had baby in my hand. And then over here, we have Mr. McHugh and his Lady Peridot. And then we have the English Budgies, who are really new to this place. Yeah, you're really new to this room, aren't you? Aragon's doing good. He's still pretty quiet most of the time, but he's doing really good. Yeah. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to turn around all the way for you guys to see the other ones behind me. I don't think I'm going to be able to. Lots of scampering about. Clarabelle came out to get something to eat. River, River, I got your baby with me, honey. Pretty Lily. Very, very peaceful in here. think... Oh, there's Romeo. I think there's some confusion from Gargar, because that was kind of a weird thing that he did. Yeah. Peekaboo. Dama, what are you doing? Huh? Hmm? Yeah. Put the baby down so everybody can see the baby. Yeah. Go back just a little bit. There's baby. There's baby. Ooh. Oops. 22 days now. Oh my. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at that. Oh, oh my goodness. Are you going to try to fly? You better not at 21 days. You better not. That's really early. That's really early. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. What you doing? Looking at your mama? Yeah? You want to go in? Oh! Oh my! My goodness! Come here! 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 Look here! You're okay. Hey! 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 Do you want to go back in? Do you? Okay. Well, you're gonna eat some millet now. Hmm? Oh, your face is so dirty. Your face is so dirty. Yeah, you're a messy eater tonight. Yeah, you were. Messy, messy. No turkey. No turkey. I see you eating that millet. You're growing too fast, honey. You're not supposed to be growing that fast. Yeah. Already eating millet? My goodness. You'll be weaned before I know it. Yeah. Yeah, that's really fast. Been working on Step Up too, haven't we? Yeah. Haven't really caught on that well yet, but you're getting there. You're getting there. Yeah. Yeah. You want to try? Do you want to try? Oh my goodness, look at that dirty face. We definitely got to clean your face off. Want to try Step Up? Hmm? Should we break the news to everyone that maybe doesn't follow us on Facebook? Which is Kiku and Hoshi Dumont on Facebook. But I am thinking, yes, that this little one is a boy. Oh my. I really am. But we're going to have to DNA to be for sure. Yeah. Yeah. Leo. 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 Hey, how are ya? How are ya? I'm going to come over here and say hello to the camera. No. Aries. She's like, nope, not me either. Nope. Such a pretty boy. We should turn around, Leo. You want to turn around? Hmm? Let's go down here, okay? See if we can get these guys up close. Hey, pretty. Skittles. Mr. Pez. What you guys doing, huh? Be time to turn off your sun lamp. Yeah. It's getting late for little birdies. Beautiful Pez, that tail. It's amazing. Amazing. And this is where we started. I just wonder. Flavio, do you want to say hello to the camera? You haven't been very nice to everybody lately, have you? Yeah. So we're doing some repairing. Yeah. Yeah. You guys are up on your ledge, on your perch. Yeah. I can really see. That's all, folks. I'm not sure what else I can get on here. No. Tama. Little baby Tama. Well, you're not a baby anymore. But you're a baby. Yeah. Kaneki. I'm tired. Aw, you're tired, honey. You know what? Let me get this out of the way. Get this out of the way. I'll take a picture of you. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, that's not very clear, is it? I think your crop's full. Oof. What do you think? Yeah. Oh my. Later.